How to turn off read receipts on TikTok and stop others from seeing when you've read their messages. In this quick TikTok tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to disable read status in just a few simple steps. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and look for Direct Messages and open it. Here, you'll find the read status option. Tap on it, then turn off the toggle to disable read receipts on TikTok. Once the setting is turned off, other users won't be able to see when you've read their direct messages. Keep in mind that this change applies to all of your TikTok conversations. That's it. You've successfully turned off read receipts and hidden your message read status on TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more TikTok tips, privacy settings guides, and social media tutorials.